All right. Christmas is the best time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Yeah, have a holly jolly Christmas. And when you walk down the street, say hello to friends you know and everyone you meet. Ho, 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 the mistletoe is hung where you can see. Somebody's waiting for you, so kiss the words for me. Yeah, have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you're dead in here, oh, by golly, have a jolly, jolly Christmas this year. Yeah. Hope you didn't get your tan. Hope you found the right man to fix it for you. Are you shopping anywhere? Change the color of your hair and not good to say. Did you have to pay that fine? You were dodging all the time, all you good to say. Ooh, since I've come home, my body's been a mess. Miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over, stop making a fool out of me? Why don't you come over, Valerie? Valerie, Valerie, Valerie. Ooh, come over, girl. Cause since you come home, well, my body's been a mess. I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over, stop making a fool out of me? Why don't you come over, Valerie? Valerie, 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 why don't you come over, Valerie? Don't you worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, I smile with the rising sun, and feeling bright. Pitched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true. Say, this is my message to you. So don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't you worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. The little bird pitched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, oh, melodies pure and This is my message to you.